let me share my screen. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Visible? It's visible,
Mm.
right? Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So let me keep this. So we are going to do configuration. So yesterday, just I would like to reiterate. Yesterday we have discussed about the Ansible introduction. What is Ansible? What is the use of it? So are you clear with my voice? Is it clear or any
Yeah,
disturbances?
yeah, yeah. It is clear.
Now, is it clear?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now it's fine, I guess. Okay. So yeah, we have discussed previous class about Ansible. Okay. So let
Yeah,
me reiterate what we have discussed. Just try to catch the points. Okay. So Ansible is actually it's automation tool which is used to uh, connect in between nodes and master. Okay.
yeah,
So we can configure two wheels. We have discussed all these things, but while if you want to understand that Ansible, it is also you can consider Terraform, right? So
yeah.
whatever we have do all those things in Terraform, the same we can do in Ansible also. Okay,
Okay.
so it is also you can consider infrastructure as code, which concept we can use here. So we are using a concept called infrastructure as code. That means we are creating a file which we write some code and we convert into infrastructure, that is called infrastructure as code. Code is versionable, code is repeatable, code is testable. Okay. In our Ansible architecture, we use one server where work we have in server we can consider. Okay. In Ansible, we can keep server and node configuration. Okay. Okay, for suppose there's this these nodes, maybe 200 100 nodes you might have. Okay, so more or less. Okay, so we what we do, we create a file called a playbook. In that playbook we write a script ml. So in that server we connect with the nodes, server with node connection, which means master and node connection, by using SSH connection. Okay, everything in Ansible is done using modules. Okay, to perform which to perform each and every task, we use related modules. Yesterday we discussed that modules. A module means, what is module? Module is nothing but a tool. For example, you already know the setup module in your system. Okay, before we push the playbook, we set up module. It collects the data from a configuration points and makes the data available in the Ansible server. So the server decides whenever they execute the playbooks. We will discuss all these things while we are creating a playbook. Maybe you are confusing, I guess. Okay. So okay, so we need to connect with the first today. Before going to very much deep dive into this, let's discuss how to configure the master and node setup. Okay.
Okay.
So then you can understand easily one by one then. Okay. So let us do one thing. Let me open my email AWS. So first initial I will show you how to do it. After that you can do it. Okay. So not today, maybe tomorrow. What we will do is let's. Oh, it is logged out. One second. So you have time, right?
Yeah, yeah, I have.
Okay. Yeah, what happens? Oh, yeah. What is this? C W G
G
Y
Y N.
M. Is it
I
Q
think
or D?
it's D.
Okay, one second. Is it D or A or Q? Let's try it with the D. Goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Got it. Okay. So now, fine. That's fine. So you see EC2. So let's create a server. So let's launch the instances. Maybe I do have some instances, I guess. Let me use that also. Can you able to see my screen?
Yeah,
Is it visible or it's like
it's visible, but it's very
very
little
small?
font.
Okay, okay. So I'll stop this instance. Maybe how I don't know how long it is running. Okay, let me launch the instance. So I will make it a little bigger for you.
It's fine.
Yeah. So now you can keep Ansible as a name. That's enough, I think. Next, I will take Amazon Linux as usual and keep as usual. All let's create one key pair Ansible Ansible key. That's it. Okay, create a key pair. Okay, so I would like to take three instances. Okay, so one is for master, another two is for nodes, two nodes. Okay, you understood?
Yeah.
One is for master, which means you can call it as a server also.
Mm.
Another two are server nodes. Okay, so
Okay.
like this. I'm taking three. This is instance one, instance two. This is instance one, instance two. This is instance three. Clear?
Yeah.
So you can consider this as a server. You can consider this is a node one. Okay, and this is node two. So these three are different missions. Okay, three are different missions. We are going to connect with this node one and sorry, node two with the server. Okay, then this server should be able to access node one. This server should be able to access node two. There is no any connection between node one and node two. Okay, server node one could not able to control node server. Okay, node 2 cannot control server, but server can control these two nodes in the sense two different machines. Clear?
Yeah.
All right. So okay, let me go here, instances. Let me drag it down. So you can consider this as server. You can keep it as server or master. Okay, this is, you can consider this as a node 1, node 1, and this is node 2. Okay. All right, so let me go one by one. I will take duplicate. Oh my goodness, what is this? Duplicate. So in this duplicate, you can keep one is node 2. Okay, so node 2 connect here, node 1 connect, and this is server. It's changed, but it could not change because I have used slash server. Okay, you can consider like this. All right, so now this is server ssh. So I'm going to use mobile xterm now. Yeah, for console. Yes. Yeah. Yes. So let me remove away all this. Okay. Session ssh. So first I'm going to connect with the server. Okay. So this is a server. Paste here. Advanced settings. Use private key. And I have to go into downloads. So this is the one. Download. Yeah. And terminal settings. Can't see, right? Okay. So I'll do one thing. I'll do it again. No, even I can't. So this is important, man. Ansible is important. Okay. So let me change background color. I'll make it as this. Foreground color blue. I should keep. What is matching color for blue? White, I guess. Okay, that's it. Can you see? Yeah. So again, I'm going to connect with node 1 now. So node 1. So this is for node 1. You see? One second. So this is node 1. You see? same key because one key is common for 3 servers. Okay. I'm just changing background colors for better. Okay, I'm taking this. You can see, right? Right. Next, I'm going to connect with the node 2, I guess. This is node 2. Okay. Yeah, same PEM key. Same PEM key for 3. So that is common, right? We have taken common. No problem. It's not a big deal. If you individually create it, also not a big deal. We will use individual keys. That's it. So here I am using same key. That's it. Background black, foreground green. I will take, but I'll take like this. That's good, I guess. Yeah. Right. All right. That's good. So this is blue color. You can rename it as server. Okay. Server or master, your wish. And this is node 1. Node 1. And this is node 2. So like that, we do have hundreds of nodes like this in companies. So here only we have taken only 2 nodes, right? So that's good. So we have connected successfully. So now let's do the things. So mm, okay. So first what we will do is, first we need to install prerequisites. Okay, for Ansible prerequisites, I don't know this copy I pasted it or not in this man. So let me check. I did not cross check actually. Yeah. Oh yeah. Can you see this? So you see here, install configure Ansible. Okay. First we need to launch the Amazon Linux. So we have done already. Next we need to install this prerequisite. Okay, EPEL release something. So this is important actually. So let me take this and I will take, because I did not prepare this complete PPT. I'll take help from ChatGPT. I'll tell you 1 second. So actually, just we are going to configure now. We are going to configure Ansible. Okay. So this commands is common for all for configuration purpose. Yeah, for installation purpose. For installation purpose, actually, so we are currently installing the prerequisites. That's what we are doing it now. That's it. So I'm just trying to making it ready, because latest one I'm taking. Copy. I'm just pasting here. Actually, I lost my document again. I'm doing actually. So this actually one of good document I lost actually. Okay. So this is one. You can make it little. separate. See, you try to understand here. These are all different commands. Okay, these steps need to follow. First, try to understand, install, configure Ansible, launch Ansible Linux. We have done already. Okay. Next, we need to install uh, m install wget-y. So I don't know whether this command is important or not. Let's try. So let me go here. So here in this, advantage is actually in Linux. Excuse me, I'll close this. In mobile extreme, advantage is actually we can use multiple screens like this. Clear? So let me try to paste here. I'm trying actually. One second. Just copy, multi paste, enter. Yeah, no need, no need. So I hope you got it right. So this
Mm.
one installed. So let
Mm.
me take again reference from here. I think I can close this better. You also learned Azure?
Azure, I created servers. Like
Hmm.
in my previous project, they decided to move from AWS to Azure. So I
Okay,
created
okay.
servers and launched them, and after that, they again like I don't know what happened.
Hmm.
Stick to the AWS itself. So I
Okay,
stopped
okay.
learning.
Got it, got it. Mhm. So here you see again I'm pasting this one. What is this? EPEL release latest to 7. This one. Okay, this is
Mm.
latest one.
Okay.
EPEL is a prerequisite for Ansible configuration. Okay, so
Okay.
let me try to do it. So paste here, enter. So what is this? I got actually error found because that was very old document.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Mm.
So that's why I'm trying to I'm trying to take help from ChatGPT
Okay.
now because that is too old document. Again, this is 2021 document, I guess. Okay. So recommended to fix. What is this? Deprecated, which means got expired.
Mm.
Deprecation means wherever you see deprecate word, that means it got expired. So we will take latest one. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, alternate workaround set repo entry. That's okay. So yeah, this is the one. I can take this. Okay. Okay, I'll take this first. Okay, I'll take and I'll change here because this is a very old one. Okay. So let me try to do it here. One second. Okay. See, I'm pasting here for all. Let's try. See this?
Mm.
Something happened good. Okay, that's good. Next, I'll also take help from ChatGPT instead of going after getting error. So let me ask clean metadata and reload. Okay, let's try. Okay. Oh, one second. Okay. Okay. Next, see here. Again, I'm pasting the same. I lost my document, recent document, man. That's the reason. Again, I am doing from the scratch again and again. Okay, let me try to do it one by one. This is not working. Alternative install via pip. Okay, all right, done, right? This is done. Okay, so next, so this sudo update, we are updating it. Sudo m update, right? Okay, and also one more thing, DNF is there. Still, one more prerequisite, DNF is there. Let's see whether ChatGPT is suggesting or not. Yeah, it is suggesting. You see.
Mm.
So let me use that also, because this is latest one. I will replace it with old one. Okay. Okay. Then I'll copy this, and you paste here. Enter. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So now let's check the version. Okay. So before that, let me check. Let me try to update. Okay. So there is some warning. That's okay. Avoidable. This you can avoid. Okay. That's it. It's latest, up to date only. Okay, that Python already done, so not required. And again, one more thing. So Python is mandatory for Ansible. This is a prerequisite. Okay, don't ask me why need Python. Are we going to work on Python? Don't ask me like this, because Python is prerequisite for Ansible. Okay.
Okay. It needs that Python environment.
Yes,
Currently.
100%. See this? Your Ansible core versions, it is there. Okay, version is 3.1.4, which means successfully you have done. Okay. All right, that's
Yeah.
done. Installation completed. So this is installation. I will share with you all the steps. So should I share it later? Yeah, I'll do it later.
Mm.
Yeah. So done. Installation done now. So now what we have to do is, now we have already checked versions, everything fine. So let's create a one user. Okay. Let's create a user. Let's create a user. What is the command for user creation? I'm asking Lanesh command. Add user
Yeah.
ans ans admin. Okay, ans means Ansible.
Okay.
Okay, I'm just adding one user. Okay, that's it, nothing else. Clear?
Yeah.
Enter. That's it. uh, cat etc pass wd. See, where is that? This is the one already, right? I don't know whether you remember these commands or not, Rakesh.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay, so that's it. We clear successfully created a user. That's good. And now we need to set the password for ans admin. Okay. So what is the how to set the password for user? Pass wd ans admin. Okay.
Mm.
So let's set the password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. You remember me if I forgot. Retype new password. Password is space dictionary check. You simply a star. Oh. Okay. Fine, man. Okay, I'm trying to type admin 1 2 3 4 5.
Mm.
Shift Admin admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 also. Sorry, password two passwords do
Password
not match.
not match.
Okay, let's
I
do
think
one
it's
thing.
warning, I guess.
Let me do one thing. Individually we can do passwords related. Okay. So news password will try again. Shift shift not shift no shift. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. Bad
It's
password
fine.
that.
Yeah, you can use another same password.
Yeah.
It's a warning.
ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. Successfully done.
Mm.
Okay. Now do it here. Same password. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. Run. Next. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. Done, right?
Mm.
So successfully we have created password. I'm going to paste with you because I'll forget. I have a very short short memory. ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. Okay. So I posted for you. Just if I ask, just help me.
Mm.
That's it. Next. So let me do it again. So let me keep as usual. So now we have successfully created a password. Okay. So let's try to switch normal user. Normal user in the sense what?
Easy to user. Yours.
No, 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 no. Actually, currently we are in root, right?
Root user. Yeah.
So far we are currently in root. Let's try to switch into normal user. Sorry, ans admin. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So switch su su
So
hyphen ans admin, right? So currently where are you?
in admin.
No, ans
I mean,
admin.
ans admin. Yeah.
It is a just normal user. The name is just name. Admin in the
Mm.
sense just name, not administrator.
Mm.
This is just name, which means normal user. This is normal user. It does not have all the privileges.
Okay.
Okay, you can create the files. Let us try to create the files. Touch file one. Okay, let's do one thing. I will remove from multi paste. Okay, control C. Let me exit. So because individually I want to do it. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
So because all different files I need to be keep. So touch file one. Okay. In this touch file 2, file 2 node 1. So this is my file name. Okay. So this touch file 3 from node 2, right?
Yeah.
This is for my better understanding. I'm just keeping names. Okay, there is no any standard to keep the names like this. It's my wish. Okay, it's our wish. Okay, so that's it. We have created some files here. Okay, so now let's try to install any software from here. Let's do it. Okay, m install. I'll keep multi. You see here, m install once any software, small softwares tree. Okay, enter. You see here, what is this? Try to read and let me know this
This
error.
command can be run with super user privileges. Okay.
Why? Because this is just normal user. The
Normal user.
normal
Okay.
user does not have all the privileges.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do with the super user. Sudo, the same command. Let us try with the sudo. Okay, try. Let's just try to let me know what is this.
Admin at the rate.
We see here, try to read. We trust you have received usual lecture from the local system administrator. It usually boils down these three things: respect privacy. So it is just giving the warning, and
Mm.
also it is asking password.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to type the password.
Mm.
ADMIN @1 2 3 4 5. So what is this? Admin is not a sudo file
So
because what is this
this
answer?
username is not in. Yeah.
Yeah, this user does not have permissions,
Okay.
sudo permissions. Clear?
Hmm.
This user is not under the sudo or permission, which means sudo is rejecting this.
Hmm.
This user can able to create the files, delete the files, but it does not have administration permissions. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's do one thing. Let's go to root sudo su hyphen. Oh, I need to exit, I guess. Okay, what is the password? ADMIN.
At the rate 1 2 3 4.
Incorrect three but password attempts. Okay, sudo su hyphen. Okay, ADMIN @ 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so I'll exit from here. Just simply exit. So where are you currently? You are
Root.
in root. Just I used to I was trying to exit actually. So no need to give all the permissions and no need to do not use sudo so hyphen here. Just simply
Hmm.
exit. That's it. Okay. So currently you are in root.
Okay.
Okay. So now we have to give the sudo host permission. If you want to give the sudo host permission, what you have to do? Va sudo. Okay. Va sudo. Oh, va sudo. You see this?
Hmm.
So let's see here. Uh, yeah, here. So here we need to give the permission. So if you want to give the permission, you have to add your user here. Understand?
Yeah.
So here I'm going to add here ans hyphen admin. Clear?
Hmm.
Let's do it one by one, man. So it is disturbing. 1 second. Exit multi-user. I'm doing individually. Okay.
Hmm.
I will try to. It is disturbing actually. Windows X, no. Okay. VA sudo. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, it is. You see here, allow root to run any commands anywhere. If you give here, then only sudo will allow you to do anything. Okay. So I need to use admin name. Sorry, username ans hyphen admin. Right.
Hmm.
So we have to add like this. Same as usual. Common. Same usual as usual. ALL capital ALL equal to I have to keep like this ALL same. Okay, all. So here I'm keeping no password, no password. Okay,
Hmm.
no passwd, I guess. Passwd. Okay, no password. Okay, no passwd. All. I'm just giving permission here like this. Okay, right. Let me save. Control X. Yes. Enter. Okay. Again, do it here. Control X. Exit. No. I don't want to do any changes. Va sudo. So you need to do here also. I should copy. Better I need to copy from here. Okay. I'm just copying it. Same, right? That's why.
Hmm.
Oh. Just copy it. That's it. I'm not going to save that. Yeah, here. You see? So here I'm keeping. I'm just adding just adding user here. Nothing I'm doing. Okay.
Hmm.
Windows X Y enter. Same do here. Va sudo. see vi sudo enter, and now see here, I'm just adding here, just save windows, oh, windows X. Let me cross check.
Mm,
You see here, ans
mm,
admin all, no password. Okay,
mm,
so I'll exit. That's it. So I'll also exit here. I don't want to do any extra changes. Just
mm.
simply. So I've done it. Okay, I've done in all server, node 1 and also node 2.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
So next, what we have to do is now try to switch into user. Let me keep here. Okay, so clear all. Now try to switch into user. Okay,
Mm.
how to switch? Tell me.
Soup hyphen
Uh,
and is admin.
okay, so where are you currently? You are in user.
Yeah.
So now let's try to uh, what we will do, what we have done yesterday, just before, m install tree. See this? So no privileges, but you need to use sudo, right? Enter. See, you were able to do it
Mm.
as it is, user, though it is user, still you could do it. Earlier, though it is user, you could not do it because earlier you did not give the sudo means the administrator, whatever where administrator root is there, that root permission does not have for the user. We don't have, user does not have permissions earlier, but now you have a permission from the sudo. Clear?
Yeah.
All right, so you could do it, right? That's
Mm.
good. Next, so now what we will do, so that's it. Let me exit, multi
The
exit.
configuration got completed, I guess.
Yeah, configuration completely done. Now let's do individually. So what we will do is, first initially let's try to do connection with the, so initial now, one second, I will try to uh, make you more understand better. You see here, I'll take pen. You see here. Okay, so this is master.
Mm.
This is a master. Okay, this you
Mm.
need to connect with it, and also this you need to connect with it.
Okay.
Clear? If you want to
Mm.
connect with the master and node, okay, this is node 1, this is node 2. Okay,
Mm.
if you want to connect with this node 1 with master and node 2 with master, which means you can consider this as a server also, you can call this also server. Clear? So we
Okay.
need to connect with the SSH connection. Through SSH connection is possible. We need to set up with the SSH connection to master to node 2 and master to node 1. Clear?
Mm.
So
Yeah.
this setup we have to do. Okay, if you want to do SSH connection, passwordless SSH connection, so let's do it. Okay, um, initially try to connect with the password, after that we will see passwordless. Just we are trying to connect with the server and node 1. Okay, exit multi execution. Now let me give multi user only. It's I'll clear all, so let me do it all. First vi etc slash
Mm.
etc, I think in Linux we have done this, ssh sshd sshd, so this one. Okay, passwordless authentication. mm, I think it is not opening. Nothing is there in this. One second, Rakesh. I
Hmm.
have ls vi cat. Let me see. ssh ssh d permission. Oh my goodness. Where are you currently? You are in answered min. That is the
Yeah,
reason. So you are in user. User does not have all this. Okay.
but we give all the
So
permissions, right?
you only give the permission for installing the softwares and for this
Okay.
purpose only, not for entire. So administration in the sense complete. So you are
Hmm.
asking Prime Minister post. You are as a MLA. You are just simply MLA. So but you are
Hmm.
asking Prime Minister post. Okay.
Hmm.
So earlier you are not MLA, but after becoming MLA, you are asking Prime Minister post. Okay.
Hmm.
Let us go. Exit. So now try to do it. Okay. VI ETC SSH. We are connecting with the SSH connection. Okay. SSHD. Okay. Now let's try to enter. You see this now? Can you see? Yeah,
Hmm.
you could see here. Let me do it one by one. Yeah, password authentication. You can see if you say somewhere. You see somewhere. Just let me know.
Hmm.
Password
Password
authentication. Yeah, this
authentication.
is the one. Yeah, password authentication. No, it is there.
Hmm.
No, but you have to make it as yes.
Okay.
Okay, and you just close this and you just open this. Now you try to come here. Password authentication. Yeah, here. Password authentication must make it as yes. Yes. Okay. And you see here, I'm not saving it. I will do it save. I'll save it later. So here you see password authentication again. Yeah, here this is the one. Yes. Okay. Now I'm saving one by one. WQ save, and you can lock this, and I can open this. Now I'll save this WQ. Save this. Now I'll log this. I'll open this. I will save this. Right? Done. Okay. So after this, we need to restart the system. Okay. If you want to restart the system, what is the command? SSHD. What is the command? Service. Are you with me? Rakesh, are you with me? Hello. Oh, okay. Hello, Rakesh. Hello. Rakesh, can you join? Just now lost thought. Yeah. Can you rejoin? Yeah, just give it a second. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yes, Rakesh. What happened? Yeah, can I join via mobile? Yeah, you can do. So you are not going to do anything today. So you can join through mobile only, no problem. So the same link, same link. Yeah, Rakesh. So can you able to see my screen? So let me share it again. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Yeah, you are audible. Are you able to see my screen? So are you going office now? Hello. Yeah, Rakesh, can you hear me? Yeah. So now what we have to do is just restarted the system. So see this service SSHD restart. I have done restart. Okay. Once after restarting the system, so now try to connect with the individual node. Okay, node 1 and node 2. Let's try to connect with the node 1 and node 2. Okay. So if I want to connect with the node 1, so this is a master. Okay, this is a node. Okay. So let me exit. Okay. Oh, one second. So SSH, this is a command SSH. Okay. I will log this first. You see here SSH at the rate, sorry, SSH ans admin. This is username ans admin at the rate and IP address of this. So first I'm going to connect with the node 1. Okay, node 1, how would you know that? So if you want to see that node 1, you just come here. So this is your node 1, right? Okay, if it is this node 1, so first node 1 IP address. Okay, where is node 1 IP address? This is the one, private IP. Copy this private IP address. For internal communication we should use an private IP address only. Can you see? So exactly it is matching with it, right? 172.31.4.240. This is node 1. So let's try to enter. See this? Yes. So currently we need to give the password. Okay, admin admin at the rate 12345. Oh, permission denied. It is asking, it is telling permission denied. Why permission denied? Maybe the sudo or permission not accepted, I guess. So let me cross check again. Let me cross check again. Do it again. I will do it. Please try again. Permission denied. 1 second. Where is my cursor? It got hanged. Okay. Rakesh, this is wrong. Did you observe anything here? Did you observe anything here? You see here? No. The name is wrong actually. Ansadmin. This is not Ansadmin. Okay. So this is a command is wrong actually, ans hyphen. So now you see admin at the rate 12345. So you see currently where are you? You are in node, you are in node 1. You see 172.31.4.240, 172.31.4.230. Actually what is this? This is in node 1, but actual machine is, this is server. Inside your server somewhere your machine is there, but you could able to do access, you able to do it, right? Let's see ls. You see file 2 from node 1. Okay, you see here node 2 in node 1, sorry, node 1 ls. Oh, okay, so here actually su hyphen, let's go into ans admin, ans hyphen admin. You see here ls. See here node 1, this file you could able to see in your server. Clear? Somewhere you missed it. Rakesh, are you with me? Are you able to see my screen? Okay, I'll do it again. Let me share it again. So this is a very interesting, man. See this? Now you can able to see my screen, right? Just try to let me know what I have done and what is this, screen, and what is this screen, and what is this screen. Okay. Okay. So now let me know. I will ask you some question. So now what is this exactly? Where are you currently? Yeah, node 1. Okay, you got access, actually you accessed node 1, but actual this is server is in, actual server is, this is a server, normal server, this is a master. Inside master can able to access node 1. So what is this? This is also node 1, right? This is also node 1. And what is this? This is node 2. Okay, all right. So you got access like this. Let me take control of node 2 into my server. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let me clear this first. Okay, let's do it. So now I will exit from here. Exit. Oh, sorry. In node, in server I am doing it. Okay, exit. Okay, so now I can switch user hyphen and one second, sorry. So now we are actually, now I am actually in root. So now we have to connect with the node 2 ssh hyphen ans admin, this is admin name. Okay, ans hyphen admin admin at the rate. So what is your node 2, node 2 IP address? What is your node 2 IP address? Node 2 IP address is here. You see the private IP address. Okay, here I will drag a bit. You can see here, right? 172.31.6.235. Okay, right? I think you lost connection. Why? Oh, no, not you, Rakesh. Here. Yeah, now it is connected. Sudo su hyphen. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you see here. So SSH connection, SSH and ANS. This is username. Oh my goodness, I am writing here, not here. So you just clear everything. SSH. How we need to connect in this is, first you need to keep SSH and username ANS hyphen admin admin at the rate your IP address. Clear? This is your node 2 IP address 235. You see here 235. So let's try to enter. Okay, yes, password. First initial it will ask the password. Admin @ 12345. See here, where are you currently? You see here, 235 170.31.6.235 170.31.6.235. Okay, so let me try to log in again. So let me go back, exit. You see, exit in the sense gone. You exited. So currently where are you? Which server? See, what is this? 170.31.13.92. So 92 means it is a main server, master. Okay, this is main server. So later, can you tell me what is how to connect SSH? Okay, so can I directly try with IP address? Let's see. So already I have given permission, right? Password already. Let me try with it. You see this? admin @12345. Permission denied. Huh? Okay, okay. 1 second. Okay, try it again. SSH. What is this? 240. Yeah. Enter password @ okay, so I think it's not happening like this. Let me do it again. Control C. Tell me now. Previous method only. SSH ANS ANS admin uh, @ I okay. Yeah, IP address is 240, right? Enter. So you are in. You can able to do it, right? That's good. Again, I will exit and I'll try to run like this. I'll try to do using @. Let's see. Oh, it's not working. Why I can also do it like this? Let's see. Ah, it's okay. No problem. Right? You understood, huh? So we can able to take the access of node 1 and node 2 in master. So which means which file? You said this one. Uh, oh, that one you are saying. Okay. Yeah, nothing. This is vi sudo. That's it. You understood? This one. Yeah. So we added just simply. We just added this. Uh-huh. Which one? Oh, that one. etc. Okay, okay. Okay, I'll open. etc. Um, we just need to type something kind of etc ssh something kind of etc here slash sorry vi etc slash ssh d. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so here password authentication you just earlier no, now you give password here, which means every time it will ask the password. Okay, if you keep if you remove this it will not ask the password. That's it, just simple. Okay, Nothing. Simply exit, quit. I'm just quitting. Nothing. I'm not doing any change extra. Okay. So after that, after doing the changes, I just reloaded. What you know the command already. What is how to reload? Service service sshd reload. So this is the command. Okay. So by using that command, I have restarted. Clear? So that's it. Next. Uh, so I will try to reiterate better. So what I have done is what I done was, you see. So this is a master. This is a master. Okay. This is node 1 and this is node 2. Okay. So we have connected like this using SSH connection. Okay. We have connected like this using SSH connection. Okay, my pen is not supporting. So let me try to take don't worry, you're gonna do practice tomorrow. You're gonna create it, okay? That time you can understand very much easy. Okay, so now I'll go to white. Think do you have time, right? Do you have time now? So I need to write the steps to better understanding. So at what time you have to leave? Okay, so we can slowly we can go there. Okay. So first I will try to write the steps. Okay. So first step is we have added a user. Okay. Next step is we have created password. Okay. Next we have given permission for user, a sudo over. Okay. Sudo permission we have given to user. Okay. Right. Next after that we have connected with the SSH connection. Clear? Okay. With the password. Oh, it is not opening. Yeah, now it is opening. Okay, Rakesh, I think it's getting late, so that's okay. No problem. So we have done 4 steps. Okay, first one is we added a user which is ansadmin, ans-admin. Next one is we set a password for user. After that we have given uh, sudo access to the user. Okay, and after that we have connected SSH connection with nodes. SSH connection with the node 1 and node 2. So the next one is we are going to do with the, so actually in the SSH connection what we have done, tell me. SSH ans hyphen admin at the rate, so see IP address of this, for example this is one IP address, suppose. Oh, oh, it's closed, my goodness. It's okay, I'll take from here itself. Okay, node 1, right? So I'll take from here. Yes, you see here, right? Password admin at the rate 123, which means it is asking password always. So still you are using a master, you have a master access, but it is continuously every time if you want to type a password, in the sense it's hectic, right? So you are connected, but thing is always you are trying to connect with the password only. So I need to remove the password. Clear? I don't want to use the password. That is called as passwordless SSH connection. This is with password SSH connection. Okay, so far we have taken access of node 1 and node 2 with password access, with password only. Now I don't want to use the password, that is what my intention. Okay, if I don't want to use the password, so I have to trust policy, I have to follow the trust policy. Clear? So we are going to have passwordless SSH connection now. Okay, so for that, so actually ans admin user to user, so if you want to do it, actually this 2 also gone, right? Let me take it again. So 240, right? One is 240, this 170, 120, 152, 170, yeah, public IP addresses, right? So let me take, the node 1 is 120, node 1 is 120. Yes, 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 this is the one. Okay, this is the one. Next node 2 is 170, this is 170, right? Okay, good. All right, this is node 1 and that is node 2. Node 1, this is node 2. Right, all right. So now I have to connect with the node 1 and node 2 with the passwordless connection. Okay, so for that, so first you can able to connect with the node 1 and node 2, these are actually same level. Okay, so this is in upper level, right? Root, which means this is a master. These are all node slaves, you can consider. This is a master, this is a slave, this is a owner, this is slaves, you can consider this. These two are upper level. So you can able to connect with the root to root and user to user, but root to node, okay, root to node and node to root is not possible. That should be in the same level. Okay, if you want to get SSH connection with the same level only, it is possible. Okay, we are going to establish trust relation between the ans admin to ans admin users. Okay, so we have to create the public and private IP address, for example ls-a. Okay, so this SSH is there, right? cd dot ssh ls. So this, okay, this keys are there, right? So these keys, whatever these keys are there, So we need to do SSH connection with passwordless. So first we need to create keys, public keys. So these are all private keys. Okay, we have to create the public keys. Okay, so to create a public keys, we need to generate it first. To generate it, we need to use one command that is called ssh-keygen. Clear? Okay, so let's do individually. So I will do it here. First, I need to connect with this SSH. I need to connect with the ANS admin. Okay, what is that? SSH ANS hyphen admin at the rate. No. I'm sorry. I need to connect with the ANS admin user, right? So hyphen ANS admin ANS hyphen. Okay, so now you are in admin ANS admin. Okay, you also do it from here. So which means we are communicating with the user to user. Clear? Oh, sorry. Okay, so now sudo su hyphen. Okay, so let me I also connect with su hyphen ANS admin. Sorry, ANS admin. So you also log in here. Su hyphen ANS hyphen admin. Oh, it is asking password because we are actually logging through EC2 user. That's why. Admin at the rate 12345. So currently you are in ANS admin. Earlier it didn't get here it didn't ask the password, but here asking the password in the sense we are actually jumping from user to user. That's why. Here actually we jumped from root to user. That is a difference. Clear? So next, so currently we are in ANS admin, here in ANS admin, here also ANS admin. That's good. So now we need to connect with the one place to other place using. So first of all, we need to generate the public keys. Okay, if you want to generate the public key, so first you have to use this command ssh hyphen key gen. Okay, I'll before doing 1 minute, let me keep my charger. So first let's see ls. Okay, ls hyphen a. You see, these are only you have. Okay, you don't have any ssh connect ssh, right? So now we have to create it here also. You see ls hyphen a. You see, you don't have any ssh, right? See here also ls hyphen a. You see, but you could ask me earlier, I could see ssh also, but that is in root, not here. So currently we are in ANS admin user. In this user, we don't have any private and public keys. Clear? So now we need to generate the keys. So if you want to generate the keys, you have a command called ssh-keygen. So this is command. Enter, 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 enter. That's it. Now let's see. ls-a. See this? You got it ssh, right? cd dot ssh. Okay. Now you see ls. You see this rsa and this is public key. This is private key. Okay. Cat id rsa. See this? This is a key. Clear? Now ls. So you could see cat id rsa shift underscore. You see this? This is private key. Can you see here? This is a private key. Okay. So that's it. Earlier one is also private key. This is also private key or public key. This is also private key. I opened both at a time. Okay. Let's see with the cat ls cat id rsa dot pub. You see, this is private. This is public key. Private key, it will specify with the private key name. Okay, public key, that the file itself with the extension .pub. Pub means in the sense public. Clear? Okay, we have to do we have done this, right? So that's good job. So node 1 also, let's try to connect with the node 1 so far. Let's try to connect with the node 1. So let's do one thing. Instead of creating all these individual, so let's try to copy. Okay, let's try to copy ssh hyphen copy copy hyphen id ans admin ans hyphen admin at the rate I will take node 1 IP address and paste here. I'm just copying from here only. Enter. Yes. admin at the rate 12345. Okay. So done. You copied. You added one. Clear? Understood? I'm just copying. I'm just copying this ID underscore into this node 1. Okay. So I'm also doing it for node 2 also. Clear? Node 2 IP address, just copy. Where is node 2? Here. Copy this and paste here. Enter. Yes. That's it. admin at the rate 12345. You done it here also. Clear? Okay. That's it. Next, verify in node 2. Okay. So we did not do SSH connection separately here. Let's try ls -a. You see this SSH now, and also in node 2. Earlier you did not have all these files. Can you see here? I highlighted, but you did not see any SSH. ls-a now. It's now copied, right? So which means I copied from here to these two nodes. That's it. Nothing else I did. Okay. So now try to connect with SSH. Now, okay, try to SSH node 1 IP address. This is node 1, right? IP. Copy and paste. Simple. You see it? It's amazing, right? And here, so node 2, try to connect with node 2. Exit. Try to connect with node 2. This is node 2, right? Copy. Just added SSH keys. That's it. Now try to connect SSH. Just okay. Let me see here. This is node 2 IP address. Node 2 public IP. See here, 172.31.6.235. So I just added without any username. Simple. Enter. Directly you are entering without password. So there is no password required here because SSH password less authentication keys. Okay, we have copied your SSH keys. This SSH keys is called as, you can consider it as ls-a. So this SSH keys you can consider as keys. So this is lock and keys. You can consider that those are lock and keys. If these keys are having with this nodes also, that this master will trust these two nodes, otherwise no. Understood? The same key, whatever key it has, the same key. Okay, let me try to open ls cd dot ssh. Oh, sorry, cd slash, one second, ls hyphen a cd dot ssh ls. See here, authentication keys. You got it right. See here, authentication cat. Okay, keys. You see this? The same key you can able to see. Okay, you see here, start initially AAA something kind of. Last you see here south 1.192 something kind of. Okay, you just try to identify this. Okay, let me try to here. ls hyphen a, okay, cd dot ssh ls authorized keys, right? Cat authorized keys. You see this same, you see jmelba to p here in this the same key jmelba to pu and admin 92 from 92 it is connecting. So here 92 same, you can say here same key, which means this key is containing, okay, the key is contain. For example, I'll tell you general example also. ls cat authorized keys, you see this the same one jmelb8p2u, you see jmelp something 8p2u, clear? The same key is having with the two nodes also. That is the reason this master is trusting this node 1 and node 2. Example I will tell you. Rakesh, actually we are at one place, which means we are sharing the room. Okay, so now you are somewhere in your office. I'm telling Rakesh, actually I'm going outside. Okay, so you will tell me, okay Lokesh, there is actually a secret place for us. Okay, you share with me that key. If you want to share with me that key, you just keep some place. That's why X place. If you keep X place, then I will trust you. Okay, I can able to access. You'll keep at X place and you'll go away, right? Some Y person came, not me. Okay, he will try to enter with some different key. He will not access, right? Okay, some different person will come, Rakesh. He will try to enter with a different key, which means he is already having key, but he could try to able to enter with the key, but he could not, because the original key you and me only knows, right? Okay, if with that original key only able to open the lock, otherwise no, right? That different person or different server will not able to access. So I will come, okay, or you will come. You will come and you will find the place, because you have already key, right? I shared with you that key. With that key only you can able to enter into the room, correct? I only shared with you that key, I did not share with anybody. So so which means we do have a trust policy in between us. The same way server, this server has trust policy. Okay, this server has trust policy. This server, this key is shared with the node 1 and this key is shared with the node 2. The same key is having with the node 1 and same key is node 2 having with node 2. Okay, then what happens? So then, yeah, whenever trying to connect with the server with the node 1 is possible. Okay, next to server with the node 2 is possible without any password, because you already having key. That way it is, this server will be verified with that key, the same key is with you or not, the same key is with node 2 or not. This is how the security happens. Clear? With the ssh connection only you can that two node 1 and node 2 can able to enter, can able to get the access for server. So this is called as passwordless authentication keys. Understood? Rakesh, that's it. You just ask me the questions now. SSH, no, no, we have created SSH hyphen keygen. So the command is there, right? Okay, I'll try to use history. Oh, history. See here, authorization keys, okay. But this, not here in answered bin. I think you can see here somewhere. I think that you can't see SSH hyphen keygen. That command won't show. Okay, the activities will show, but whatever command, that command it won't accept, it won't show. SSH hyphen keygen, I think you have done that. Maybe let me try to exit and show. Now history ssh key. Yeah, you see here that we have done in root actually. Okay, ssh keygen we have done in root. Okay, after that we have done in the user. Okay, if you do practice twice or thrice, then you can understand very much easy. Okay, first what happened is actually we actually configured ssh. Earlier we have actually using ssh and sssd config, we actually allowed password authentication yes, which means every time password will ask you. Okay, to avoid that, so every time if password asking, in the sense that will be hectic always continuously for every activity. If you want to use the password, in the sense it's not correct, right, for server. So for that what we have done is actually we have generated we have another concept is actually passwordless as authentication keys. We have to generate ssh connection. If you want to generate ssh connection, you have to use passwordless authentication trust policy. Okay, if you want to do that passwordless authentication, you have to use ssh-keygen. You have to generate the keys in root, sorry, in ansadmin. Okay, so because why I'm doing this, in the sense it should be happen in the same level, root to root, admin to user to user. So now it won't happen because this is current ansadmin user, this is root, this is a normal user, this is, so different users, not possible this thing. Only root to root happen, only user to user happen. This passwordless authentication keys, without password you could do it through I'll tell you one more time, 1 second. So this pen is not supporting, that's the reason I could not use, otherwise you can able to understand better. So for suppose this is server. Okay, this is node 1, this is node 2, this is node 2. Okay, so here you are actually currently in ansadmin, right? This is a user, sorry, usr user. So you just forget about this. Here also ans hyphen admin, this is also user, correct? So you just forget about this, just you can consider ans hyphen admin. So this is also one user, so which means you are in same user. Okay, user level activity happening. So here it is ans admin, here is ans admin, here is ans admin, then ssh is possible. Okay, here also ssh is possible. Okay, clear? What is the command for that? ssh hyphen keygen. So this is actually command. Okay, once you use this command, you will get .ssh file. Okay, in this .ssh file you will have public and private key. Okay, private key, you will have this public and private key, correct? So now what I am doing is this file I want to share with the node 1 and node 2. Clear? To do that, what I have to do is I have a command actually. I'm just simply copying. If I want to simply copy, the command is ssh. I'll write here command ssh hyphen copy. Okay, hyphen id. Okay, next to ans admin. Okay, ans hyphen admin. This is a username. Clear? At the rate and IP address. Whatever IP address, this IP address. Examples 172.31.4.240. This is one time. Okay, you will do it. Next after that, what you will do, this is for node 1. Okay, node 1, this whatever the ssh file is there, that public and private IP will be copied into here. Clear? Next what we will do, the same thing we'll do it with the node 2 also. Okay, so what we will do is here, instead of this, next time what we will do, we will use 172.31.6.235. Clear? Okay, So the same IP address, whatever SSH keys are there, that will be copied to node 2. Clear? So after that, whenever you use SSH simple, here in this root, I'm saying SSH hyphen, I'm sorry, SSH 172.31.4.240 without any user names. Automatically it will connect directly without asking password. Without asking password, you can directly connect with the node. If you type here SSH 172.31.6.235, if you use this command, you directly connect with the node 2 without asking any password. Okay, which means everything you are not physically going here. You are not physically going here. In the master itself, in the server itself, you are connecting with the node 1. In server itself, you are connecting with the node 2. Clear? For example, this node 1 is in USA. This node 2 is there in London. Okay, so if in this condition you can able to access these two machines. Clear? You understood? That's it. This is all about. For just let me know, is it possible? For example, here actually I'm in ans admin user. Here you are in root user. Is it possible connection? Exactly. So now you are in ans admin. Here is in root user somewhere. Is it possible SSH connection? No, right? No. Yes. If the same user, if for suppose if you have EC2 user, that should be EC2 user only possible. If Ansible is ans admin is there, it should be ans admin. Okay, it should be root in the sense root possible, root to root possible. Okay, one more time again I'm telling you, for root level it is possible, root to root. Okay, for ans admin is there, this is a user, this is possible in between EC2 user to ans admin, this is possible. Okay, because this EC2 user is just normal user only, right? This EC2 user is normal user only, this is not root. Okay, it is possible in between these two. Okay, but for example, if it is root is there for suppose here. Okay, root to ans admin is not possible. Okay, and root to ans admin is not possible. So this is how, which means root to root, root to root, and user to user SSH connection will be happen. Clear? So if you don't have root in the sense, you have to go to root, or else if you don't have so you are in user in the sense, you can make it as a user here. You can create a user here, some different name Rakesh, something kind of, give the permission, sudo permissions, and do activities in between user to user. Clear? That's it. That's it, Rakesh. This is all about setup in between master to node. Clear? So that's all. That's all for today. Any doubts you can ask me again. Yeah, I will share recording today. Okay, that's it. That's it my side, Rakesh. So, okay, thank you. Thanks for joining.